I was born in a poor family. As I grew up, my only riches were hopes, dreams, and aspirations. I spent all my young life searching a treasure. I didn't know what the treasure looked like or where it was. All I had was a feeling that it was something special and I wanted to find it. I studied and studied hard, and whenever I wanted to express myself, I would draw and paint and color my world with happiness. And then one day, someone at Art for Akansha spotted my work. She said I had a rare talent. She took me under her wing, got me trained, and shaped my art. And then she introduced me to Welspun. At first, all I could do was just stare. It was this huge big company who made so many things for so many countries all over the world. So many people working in so many factories, buzzing with activities and success. But Welspun takes time off to work with Akansha to bring out the potential in children like me. They have a special I Love My Planet project, and it's all about a better future for my generation. At Welspun, they saw my designs, took my sketches, polished them, and made them shine. The animals, the fish, the cityscapes, the cosmos, everything was looking incredibly good. And then they printed them on bed sheets, pillows, and made them come alive under their famous brand name, Spaces. I looked at them, so hard at work, making my ideas come to life. And then I realized something really big. Remember the treasure I was searching for? Now I know what it looks like. Now I know where to find it. It's my talent, my art. It's right here in me.
The vision of Akansha is to serve students from low-income communities across India. It's to provide them with an excellent education. We do this by running schools, but we also do this by providing access to opportunities that more privileged children have access to. And one of those things is art. We believe that art can tell stories that sometimes our voices cannot. Art gives our children a chance to deal with their pain, to deal with their struggles, to express their dreams, to tell their stories. And it tells the story of a world that many people in India do not see. And it fills that world with hope, along with the reality that our children face every day.
It just took some wonderful people to show me. Wonderful people at Welspun and Akansha who believe in me and make me believe in myself. Thousands of children will go to sleep on these bed sheets and pillows and dream fantastic dreams about fantastic treasures. And I wish all their dreams come true, just like mine. I wish they find their treasure, just like I did.
I'm really glad that this initiative has come to an end. We'll be really happy and looking forward to the response it will get in the marketplace. At Welspun, apart from our pipes and textiles that we do, we also look forward to developing communities. We at Welspun believe in the trees: education, empowerment, environment and health. We take on a step forward in our country. Today, as we know, India has 70% population that is baby boomers. They are our future. And the initiative that we took with Akansha was a message that we can take forward to the children, because we know how important environment and our planet is. With the effect that the diverse effects that are happening, the El Nino and the various others, I think the sensitivity the kids can take forward will be a very important aspect to helping the planet go forward. Today, if we can take that step forward, it will not only educate a child at Akansha, make his dreams come true, but also help our environment